Hi guys, today's shared reading text is called The Sun. You can find it in your Benchmark Shared Reading Purple booklet or on Benchmark Online, your shared reading book for Units 7 and 8. Listen as I read. The Sun. The Sun is a star, a huge, hot, shining ball of gases. Earth and the other planets in our solar system orbit around the Sun. The Sun is very important. Without it, there would be no life on Earth. Living creatures on Earth depend on energy from the Sun. We need the heat and the light. Plants use sunlight to make food. Then they grow and give off oxygen. People and animals breathe the oxygen and eat the plants. Next, we'll echo read. I will read, and I'd like you to repeat out loud for me at home. The Sun. The Sun is a star, a huge, hot, shining ball of gases. Earth and the other planets in our solar system orbit around the Sun. The Sun is very important. Without it, there would be no life on Earth. Living creatures on Earth depend on energy from the Sun. We need the heat and the light. Plants use sunlight to make food. Then they grow and give off oxygen. People and animals breathe the oxygen and eat the plants. Okay, our first annotation, if you look down here at the bottom of your booklet, it tells you what to do. Circle a word that has the same I sound as sit. We're looking for short I words in our text today. If you want to listen to the words again, you can press the play button up here and it will read you the text. Listen for words. I'm going to come here and find my tool. Today I'm going to try the circle tool. You can choose your shape and your color. And I'm going to look for words. I see is in the first sentence. I'm going to circle the word is. I also see the word in. Orbit and important also have short I. So does it. Did I miss any? Let's try page 25. Living has a short I. And give. I think I found them all. Did you? Our next annotation says, underline the name of the planet we call home. You're looking for a proper noun. This is the name of a place. It's going to have a capital. What planet do we live on? I'm going to change my tool to a pen. That's right, the name of our planet is Earth. Did you underline Earth? It's over here too. Earth is the planet we live on. Our last annotation today says put a star next to an important detail from the text. I noticed that in the first paragraph of the text, it said the Sun is very important. Since our text is about the sun, I think that's the main idea. I'm going to look for a key detail that supports the main idea. Why is the sun important? The very next sentence says, without it, there would be no life on Earth. Can you imagine no life on Earth? I'm going to star that as my important detail. Find an important detail in the text and give it a star. The last thing we're going to do today is respond to the text. I'm going to use my typing tool. I like to make it bigger so you can see. You can change the color again. Make a box where you're going to type. Today I'm going to give you some sentence starters to respond to the text, and I'd like you to respond on your own. I think the sun is important because it is also important because. Try to find 2 reasons in the text why the sun is important.
Plants.
When you're done writing, you can draw your picture. That's it for today. See you next time.